Go backwards, Billy.
Surfing USA.
There you go. Push it. Keep going. Billy. Look at you. So this is Billy. I looked over and he had climbed onto the train and was pushing the button, so I grabbed the camera. He was just pushing the noise buttons, but he found the mover. Hi! Uh-oh, honey, it's gotta get stuck on the clothes. Are you having fun? Let him try by himself for a minute. Hey, look at you! You're gonna hit the wall.
Driving that train high on cocaine. Casey Jones, you better watch your speed.
Stop. You gotta go backwards. Now go. No, you can't do that. Hey, Billy, look at you cruising. Yay, Billy, look at you.
The train wreck.
Boom. Okay, wait, now you gotta stop.
Let off the throttle.
And then reverse. Okay, go.
Well, start your engines there, dude. Come on.
You can go. Push the button.
Oh,
No. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Not with your toes.
There you go.
See? Just like that.
Woohoo!
Button right there to make it go. That one to make the ding ding. That one's for the whistle.
There you go. Push the red one.
And cut.
Okay. Hold on.